Wait just a minute. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You ready? You ready?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, please everybody quiet and pay attention. Go.
Good evening, everyone. We're group number 1 and we're informed by Mateo, and me, Nicolle. We're going to present you our project of a DIY a liter bottle ecosystem.
Okay. With this project, we learned how to make an ecosystem in a plastic bottle, as you can see. An ecosystem is made up of living beings and their environment. An ecosystem can be large, like the Amazonic rainforest, or small, like a pterodactyl. An ecosystem is made up of animals, in this case, fish, plants, and their own environment. The animals, the plants will provide oxygen and food to the animals. The animals will help maintaining the balance of the ecosystem, and the environment will provide moisture and sunlight necessary to the animals.
Well, we made a mixed ecosystem with an aquatic ecosystem and a terrestrial ecosystem. An aquatic ecosystem is a term for a community of living things, such as animals, organisms, microorganisms, plants, and that. And they interact with each other in their ecosystem that is water, like lakes, ocean, and rivers. And a terrestrial ecosystem is the same, but instead of aquatic animals, there are terrestrial animals. But it's the same. They interact with each other, but in deserts and in the woods, in the forest, in every terrestrial ecosystem. And here we make the connection between the terrestrial and the aquatic ecosystem. We made the connection with the fish that is in water, and the waste, the natural waste of the fish, with nutrients and nutrient the plant through the core. Okay.
Now, the materials we use for our project. It was a container to keep the water overnight, and I'm going to explain that in the process. Okay. A liter bottle. We use a gallon, but you can do it like in 2 liters. Now, rocks for a fish tank, fish food to feed our fish, a plant or seeds. In this case, we use seeds, and that in Spanish is called timo. I don't know the name in English.
It's okay.
It's an herb. The soil, the mixed soil we used, coffee filters, but in this case we don't find one, so we use the paper towels of the kitchen, and it works the same.
Okay.
Like pouring or string, we use yarn, but I braided it to make it like a long string. And that's it. Now, for the first step, we cut the bottle in 1/3 with 1/3 of the bottle, and we lijar the edges of the bottle. And now we put the rocks for the fish tank in the bottom, and we filled with the water. The water have to be filled day before the day before, because the water needed to clean it out for the fishes with the to maintain the nutrients that the rocks have to give. Now for the upper part, we had to make holes, 4 holes in the cuello de la botella, and we placed the 2 palitos de pincho, like
Sticks.
in a sticks, like a next, and put the paper towels to like well look to que sirvan como filtro. Okay.
Act like a filter.
Act like a filter. Now, we attach the string, the yarn string, with the sticks. We make a mixture.
A mixture.
A mixture of the soil that we were going to use, and we place it like the soil, the seeds, and again the soils, and we put it water. Now we place it here, and here you can see that we also put the fishes. There are 2 fishes there.
Okay, so in conclusion, this project, this innovative project, repurpose deep water bottles to create an aquatic ecosystem. So the step-by-step process showcases creativity, and in design and adaptability. So it's like create a small ecosystem to live some animals like are the fish, and make a balance between the fishes and plants. So in this case, we need a lot of creativity and organization or reconciliation. So overall, this undertaking offers an engaging educational experience, highlighting the interconnectedness of living organisms within the ecosystems. So we learn more how to maintain some living organisms and create ecosystems.
How photosynthesis works in this environment?
What?
How photosynthesis work in this ecosystem?
Well, we like I said, we put seeds, so we have to put it like in the sunlight, and the sunlight like make the plant grow, and when the plant grows, there is the photosynthesis, and also the plant grows with the water that we will put there, like in the bottom part, and the water is always connected with the soil through the stream. So the water that collected the stream, yes, the water that collected the stream has the nutrients that the waste of the fish contains.
Okay, thank you. Everything is clear.
Thank you.
Thank you.